In recent years, the automotive industry has witnessed a monumental shift towards sustainable transportation solutions. One name that has been at the forefront of this revolution is Tesla, and their Model 3 has undoubtedly emerged as a game-changer. In this article, we will explore the key features, advantages, and the profound impact the Tesla Model 3 has made in the world of electric vehicles, EVs. 1. Superior performance and range. The Tesla Model 3 is synonymous with power and efficiency. With its electric drivetrain and advanced battery technology, this electric sedan packs a punch. It boasts remarkable acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a matter of seconds. Range anxiety is a thing of the past with the Model 3. Thanks to Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology, it offers an impressive range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, making long-distance travel worry-free. This extended range, coupled with Tesla's vast supercharger network, ensures convenient and efficient charging options for Model 3 owners. 2. Sleek design and cutting-edge technology. The Tesla Model 3's sleek and minimalist design turns heads wherever it goes. Its aerodynamic profile not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to its remarkable energy efficiency. The absence of a traditional grille and exhaust pipe gives the Model 3 a distinct and futuristic look, instantly recognizable as a Tesla. Step inside the Model 3, and you'll find a modern and driver-centric interior. The centerpiece is a large, responsive touchscreen display that controls all vehicle functions. The minimalist approach extends to the absence of traditional knobs and buttons, providing a clean and uncluttered interface. The Model 3 also comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including Autopilot, ensuring a safe and seamless driving experience. 3. Environmental impact and cost savings. One of the most significant advantages of owning a Tesla Model 3 is its positive environmental impact. As an all-electric vehicle, it produces zero emissions, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting a cleaner environment. By choosing the Model 3, owners are actively contributing to the global shift towards sustainable transportation. Electric vehicles are generally cheaper to operate and maintain than their gasoline-powered counterparts. With lower fuel costs and minimal maintenance requirements, no oil changes, transmission repairs, etc., the Model 3 offers substantial savings over its lifetime. 4. Continuous innovation and over-the-air updates. Tesla is known for its commitment to innovation, and the Model 3 exemplifies this spirit. The company regularly rolls out over-the-air software updates, enhancing performance, introducing new features, and addressing any potential issues. Additionally, Tesla's extensive supercharger network provides convenient and fast-charging options for Model 3 owners. Superchargers are strategically located along highways and in urban centers, allowing for seamless long-distance travel and reducing charging times significantly.